Hey, travel bloggers. Ready to make more money from your blog? How about boosting your blog income with affiliate marketing? Here are 5 powerful steps to help you earn more from your travel blog. Step 1. Create captivating content. Step 2. Build trust with your audience. Step 3. Choose the right affiliate programs. Step 4. Optimize your links. Step 5. Leverage social media and email marketing to drive more traffic and boost sales. Find all the details in this free report. Download it now. Click the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and strategies to make money online with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.